welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my subscribers again, and welcome new subscriber if you're new here. So today guys, what we're gonna do is something exciting. So today guys, we're gonna do a haul, and it's gonna be for hair care and skincare. So if you guys were watching my vlogging videos for December, you notice my last video, I believe it was my last video for December, that I went to Target and they were having a massive Christmas after Christmas sale, that is. And I was so excited. Me and my sister, we pretty much filled up the cart with stuff, and it was all just beauty product for that Target haul. We really didn't get any food because the sales were amazing, and we were so excited to get things. By the way guys, tip for you, we were buying so many things, at least at our Target, that we actually left one of our bag and it was full of these amazing little serums, face serums. And when I called Target the following day, because we didn't realize it until the next day, they told us that they unfortunately put them back on the floor. So if we would have called that same day and realized they were missing and called that same day, we would have been able to have them hold it until we come back to the store and actually pick them up. So if you ever forget something at Target, call your local Target, ask them if they do that. Just make sure you go through all your packages for that day, ask them if they can hold it until you come back, because she told me that they would hold it because I was coming back in the next few days and I would be able to just pick my things up. But if you don't, they put them back on the floor. Unfortunately, you lose the sale. So let's move on to everything that I bought, guys. As you can see guys in the videos, I'm going to show you guys a few clips of how much stuff we found, how many things we actually looked through, and all the things we ended up purchasing. It was a quite number of them actually. And some of those brands, they're normally things that I wouldn't buy, but I wouldn't mind trying. So I did end up getting a couple of kits, so you guys will see what I bought. And by the way guys, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, definitely suggest that you go over and follow me, because some of the things I don't always have a lot of time to do videos for them, but I definitely will be posting some Instagram posts for them because it's so easy to just put it up there and show it to you guys. Now let's get started. Let's start with hair care. Why not? So guys, let's get started. Now the first thing I wanted to show you guys is, again, if you've seen me on my Instagram, you've already seen this, is I got this As I Am Kit Curl Color Holiday Kit. This cost $5.99. It was $6. If you go on the shelf where they actually have the individual color kit, well, not the color kit, but just the curl color, just one of these costs $7.99, I believe. I'll insert the Instagram clip to show you guys, because I went around and saw it and I was amazed by the difference. The whole kit was $6. There's two colors in there. I actually wanted the red and the gold. This is bold gold, and it just says As I Am Curl Color. I can't see it on here. I'm actually gonna open these for you guys. Let's see, because I want to open them anyway. So when you open this, okay, great. So it pulls this little piece out. So this guy comes with Restore and Repair this Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water, and this is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner. So great, you get a leave-in and water, which is pretty cool. Never used these before, so pretty exciting. Now the next thing that's on here is, let's actually take the colors out. So this is, I did see this, so this is the bold gold temporary color, and this one is the hot red temporary color. So this is really cool. One of these normally would be $7.99. So you got two of them for $5.99. So guys, if you ever want something during the holidays, go kind of look around your stores and see what kit they have, because those kits are normally a lot of money. This was normally $19.99. Wow, I did not see that. So if you were getting it for the holiday, it would be $19.99 for the kit. But if you wait for the after holiday sales, it's only $5.99. So it's about 70% off, something like that. So now me and my sister went the day after Christmas to get these, because normally they go out. They're gone if you wait any longer, pretty much. Now the next kit, guys, is this, guys. It's the Holiday Curl Kit Millie. I hope I'm saying that right, guys. Holiday Curl Kit. And this is a $20 kit. I got this actually because of the oil, to be honest. And this has, let's see what's in here. So this comes with this oil. I always wanted to try this oil. It is the Rosemary Mint Curl and Hair Strengthening Oil, and this is infused with biotin and encourage growth. So I truly got this for my edges, and I like how it's not super watery, so I like that. So I'm going to be using this on my edges. And they also had this. I didn't even see this until my sister showed this to me, and this is the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. So this sounds all kind of good for me to try, so I'm gonna go ahead and start using that oil on my edges. and try the overnight. I've never actually used an overnight conditioner, which is pretty interesting, but sounds nice. Now this next kit, guy, again, is the same brand. And I thought this was cool. This is a $20 value. By the way, guys, I got these. Oh, I gotta look. I believe these were $4.99 or $2.99. No, these were $2.99 actually. I remember because I was so mad that they didn't have any more. There were only 2 of this guy. So me and my sister got one, and the other one with the ginger oil, there was only 1 of it left. So this, I got this because this was rice water. I saw it on here, and I was so happy about that because, again, I've never tried their product because the price was just too much for me. And I'm so used to getting things on discount, guys, that if anything's a certain price level, I really don't buy it. This is the rice water collection moisturizing milk, and this is excellent for length retention. Of course, rice water. My sister loves this. She's already tried hers. I haven't yet. You guys see I'm opening mine right now because I haven't tried them yet. I have so many other products to get through, so I haven't tried these yet. And I think what's cool about these is they're actually full-size products. So they're not little try kits, so they're full-size, so you don't have to think you're gonna get a small little product. And this is the deep conditioner. This is rice water deep conditioner, guys. So look, I like how the product looked, to be honest. So I actually can't wait to try these. And one other thing that's in here, if you guys didn't see through this, is, let me see if I can pop this out. You got a comb. I like this. It's cute and pink. My sister, again, I already told you guys she tried this. If you're gonna use this, I would actually run this under some water and soap and take this branding off because it did fade away while she was using it in her hair, and it actually got in her hair, so she had to work and take that out and wash again and clean it again. So I would actually run this, take this off, and then use it. But the comb itself is great. There's no issues with it. So that's it for this kit, which sounds pretty good. I can't wait to actually try these, guys. So guys, the next kit is Shea Moisture. You guys know I love Shea Moisture product. I have so many of them that I use, and I have my favorite lines that I have on there, but this one is one that I haven't tried yet. This is the hydrating hair kit, and this is the Shea Moisture is 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydrating shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in. I love these products because they have so many leave-in treatments in them. I have a lot of shampoo, conditioners, but I noticed that I wasn't buying a lot of treatments and leave-in kind of things, so I'm happy I got these kits. And the cool thing about this is it says that there's a $10 coupon inside, so there go your kit. See, again, full-size product, which is so great. And this was $4.99, I believe. Yes, this was $4.99. So original price, what's the original price on there? I believe this was like $20. I have to look. So your coupon, guys. And these are the coupons you get in the Sunday paper, which you almost, Shea Moisture is so stingy, guys, with their coupons sometime. On the Sunday paper, you usually don't get them a lot of time during the year, but I love their coupons. So you get these 2 coupons where you get $5 off a product, hair care product. If you buy any 2 Shea Moisture hair care product, you get $5 off, and any 2 Shea Moisture product, you get $5 off. What I usually do is I use both of them for hair care. They work. I usually go to Walmart to use these, and you're getting $5 off each. So if I buy 4 products, I end up getting 1.5, something like free. But guys, right now the stores are having sales. I would suggest that you go. Walmart is having sales on a lot of hair care product, and Shea Moisture is one of them. So if you have this coupon, or if you have any other Shea Moisture coupon, go and use it now. You end up getting a lot more bang for your buck, guys. So again, back to this kit. Now they have the shampoo is here, and we have your leave-in, and this is the treatment, guys. This is the cleanse and nourish all types of hair. So that's great. This is for all types of hair. And look, guys, I like this. Look how milky this look. When I try this, I'm gonna do my best to show it to you guys, but it looks really like, it looks like coconut milk. That's what it looks like, what it says on here, which is great. I have not been disappointed yet in a Shea Moisture product. I'm gonna say that. They're one of my favorite companies to get products from. So yeah, this was totally worth it. So my last product, which I was so mad they didn't have any more because this was $2.99. This was the Cantu kit. So what I really focused on for this kit was this leave-in conditioner. I love the Cantu leave-in. It's one of my favorite leave-in conditioner. That Cantu usually costs me, this alone costs me about $8 $6 to $8 when I get one at the store. So to find the kit for $2.99 was crazy amazing. Again, there was only 2 of it. I gave my sister one and I took one. So let me open to you guys and show you the whole thing that's in here. Because this was the biggest steal, I think, out of everything I got. This was the best one, that and the Shea Moisture. Now guys, let's move on to some skincare, body, face, the whole works. So guys, the first thing I wanted to show you was something I was gonna buy anyway, and these are hair towels. Now I have 3 of them. I bought 6 of these all together and gave my sister 3 because they were 99 cents or $1.99, I believe. Super cheap. I believe these were 99 cents. I'll put the price for you guys. This, again, after Christmas price sale. And these have 2 towels in each of them. So each of us had 6 towels. And I did need some new towels because the towels, the old one I had, were getting too small. So I was going to buy some anyway. And this is the quick drying hair towels. This is perfect for all hair type. Definitely a gentle material for your hair. It helps to dry your hair a lot quicker without leaving it crazy dry and without making your hair feeling all kind of weird and just horrible after you wash it. And it's a great way to definitely soak up all the excess water that's in your hair. So let me show you guys again. I haven't used these. I'm just opening them now so I can show you guys, because I'm gonna start using them soon, especially when I start doing a lot more wash day. And I want to show you guys just how big these are, because again, my sister's been using a lot of her stuff. I haven't. I've been busy. She showed me how big this was, which was so cool. So guys, so these are a great size of towels for me to do my hair care. I don't have to worry about it not wrapping around my hair. I don't have to worry about any of the issues. I can just go ahead and use this to dry my hair, which I absolutely love. I was already looking over Amazon for some microfiber towels for me to buy, and I did see the bigger ones. They're not too expensive, but they definitely can't beat 99 cents at Target after Christmas sales for really nice microfiber towels. So that was exciting to actually be able to get these towels for pretty much no money compared to what I would be paying at the store or online if I got anything else. Now the next thing I wanted to show you guys is a few body tools that I got. The first thing is this is definitely for my feet, and it's from Eco Tools as well. This brand was having some nice sales because they had a lot of products for Christmas, a lot of sets, a lot of different little things. So I was happy to get this, and I'm gonna be using this for my feet, the brush and the stone part. I love that it actually has a handle. It's gonna make it so easy for me to take care of it, and I love the fact that it has this bristle brush for me to actually use. So there was only 2 of this. I got one. I gave my sister one. This was $1.97. So again, no price. I'll usually buy them for about 2 to 3 times that price whenever I go to the store to buy tools to do my feet. Now, another tool, this is for body. Again, I have the type of body, the loofahs you actually would scrub yourself with that I love to use to exfoliate my body. I also have different tools that I use, but these look super easy to use when I want to take a quick shower, but I still want to do some exfoliating. So I thought these shower gloves were really great. And it is best, it says these ones are best for exfoliating, which will be great. Something I can just put on, be quick about it. And they were only 99 cents. So how fun was that? Now the next tool I got is, I got a couple of these because last time I went to Ross, I got one. It was $2.99. And I just wanted to have some extra one of them because they were on sale again. I thought they'd be great because I want to start actually dry brushing my body. And I got these guys. I actually have 3 of them because I want to have enough to keep switching once I use them enough. And they were again on sale for $1.97, so I figured why not get 3 of them. I gave my sister 3. We got 6 of them, so I have 3 left. Now a little bit of skincare, guys, that I got were these. One was $4.99, so this one was $6.99. I already have one product from this company. It's an overnight peel that I was trying. By the way, still haven't gotten to trying that, so I'm glad I have these now because I can try them together. So this was the Versed, and this is a Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream, and it has green tea extra with aloe vera juice. And this is the Just Breathe Clarifying Serum with willow bark extra and zinc blend. And it also comes with this little fun tool. So guys, this is the kit, and this is $20 value. The original retail price they showed you on here would have been $30. They were selling it for $20 at the store for the holiday, and I paid $6.99 for it. So I'm excited to try this. It even gives you little instruction, so I'm happy about that. Hope you guys can see that. Okay, right here. It gives you a little instruction on how to use it. And again, I have a million skin and hair care stuff I'm trying, so I'm excited for this. So that's one thing. The other one was this. It was $4.99, and this was this kit. And this is the limited edition Naturum How Do You Glow Brightening Skincare Set. Because again, I do have my little hyperpigmentation, which are doing just great, by the way, of me cleaning them up. So I decided to get this kit. I thought it was funny they actually have a headband for you to put on. This comes with a vitamin C complex serum as well as a mixed green nutrients rich cleanser. So this has vitamin C, green tea, and aloe. So I thought this kit was pretty cool for $4.99. Now my sister actually has a couple of these guys. I only wanted to get two because I have so much things that I want to get through. I didn't want to pile up a million things and not get a chance to use them. So the brush are different because I'm going to be changing them on and off, but I definitely was so happy to be able to get so much things. Now guys, this was my stack of stuff basically I got. This was everything skincare, hair care. I was so happy to get them because I have so much stuff to start out the year with. So this was all my hair care and skincare things, guys, that I actually bought. Half of it, my sister has like a bunch of stuff too. As I was saying, she has a lot more skincare things than I do, but that's what I wanted to buy. Another piece I wanted to tell you guys is I have a stack of them, which I do have them put away. I just couldn't get them all out. But another thing I bought, guys, were collagen. Because they're only $3 or $3.98, I believe, $3.98. I went and got these beef collagen because, so guys, I take collagen morning and night now, and I wanted to make sure I had enough. While they were selling the box, the small box for $3.98, I went and got all of the ones that were on the shelf. That was another part of my large purchase that you saw in the card. I had a bunch of the collagens that I bought as well. So, and all together, this was everything that I bought, everything for the new year, all the sales. A few tips for you guys definitely is go right after Christmas because you are gonna miss out. Everything is pretty much gonna be gone because we were there that first week, the day after actually Christmas, we went to the store, and then after that, the following week, there was literally nothing left. It was just a couple of stuff, but everything else, all the good stuff definitely were gone. Second thing is, I don't know if your Target does this. Not everybody Targets is like that because I do see some people, they get their sales to a certain amount. At our Target, once everything hits 70%, it's either one gonna be all gone or two, they're gonna be removed off the shelf. Definitely mind that. That's how our Target work. But some people's Target, everything stays. Sometimes they go down to 90%. So if you are able to get that 90% sale, that's amazing. Even at 70%, I still picked all this stuff up because the sale was amazing compared to the original price. So something to keep in mind. And guys, that's pretty much it. You're gonna be seeing me use all this stuff, try all this stuff, and show you guys just how it works, what I'm doing with it, and how is it helping. So that is it for my haul, guys. So guys, one thing I did want to mention, I'm gonna remember to do this now for you guys through the year, is one of the ways I do get a lot of those sales is the apps I use and the rebates that I get. Even with sales, I get rebates. So I'm gonna have all those links down for you guys below, so you'll be able to use those as well on every video. It's always gonna be in the description link for you guys. So definitely thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos that are coming out. Of course, leave all of your comment down below, and don't forget to go over and watch my last video.